That's the light right over there. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk. There's a button right there for it. Now get a flathead screwdriver and get that middle part of the clip off. You just have to pull it out a little bit and then you can get the clip out the rest of the way. There it is. Repeat the process for the two other clips. So 3 clips in total, and now we can peel this fabric cover back enough that it gives us access to the light right over there. We need to get the light out completely. For that, we need to take off 4 nuts. 1, 2, the third one inside over there, and the 4th nut, which is right over there. Yes, the only tool we need is a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Again, 10mm. Either you need an extension or a deep long socket like this. And let's go ahead and take those nuts off. Now the third one, when the nut comes off, it just comes down with the socket itself. So don't drop it and lose it. The 4th one over there. At this point, just push on the studs and the light should just pop right out. If it doesn't, get a screwdriver or a hammer and just tap this lightly and that should pop it right off. Now you can work on the light right over here, or you can just press down the electrical connector and slide it right out. Get the light out completely. Grab the bulb holder and twist it left to loosen it, and then it should come right out. There it is. The bulb size is right there, 921. That's what you need to get, 921. To get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb as you pull it out, but it'll come right out. Go ahead, get the new bulb, align it and push it down to secure it. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you have to be patient. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops down like that. Yep, that is looking good. Now just twist it right to lock it in place, and let's put the light back into the body. First, just slide the electrical connector on and click it to secure it in place. Make sure all the 4 studs over there align with the holes, and only when they align, just push the light down, press it, and now let's just put the 4 nuts back on. 1, 2, third one inside there, and for the 4th one, put the nut on the socket itself and then put it inside in its position. Rotate the socket to get the nut on the thread. Now just tighten all the 4 nuts down, and that is good. Let's put the fabric cover back in its place. 1, 2 and 3 clips. When you put the clip back in, make sure the middle part is pulled out as much as possible. Only then will the clip go back into the hole. Once it's in, push the middle part in to secure it and repeat the process for the other 2 clips. And it's the exact same process for the other side if you have to do both the sides. I hope you found it useful.